happened on the 7th of October, let's start with that. It was a genocidal. It was against humanity. It was against the Jews, against the Muslims, against the Arabs. Support the people of Gaza and free them from Hamas and any terrorist that takes them to darkness. Because now we are in the age of access to info. You can no longer lie to me. You can't tell me that you didn't rape because I saw the footage online, HD quality, you recorded it. You posted it, you start removing it. You can't tell me you didn't burn people's houses because I went on TikTok, I can see it. You can't tell me that you didn't have those hostages. I go on the live Snapchats area, map, close, get close, I can see it. In 2003, you had the TV, that's it. One cameraman that decided exactly what you're going to see, which I believe was the age of deception when it comes to pictures and images. But now, because we have the access, humanity understands more. And one thing I can tell you, please do not judge the people of the Middle East through Al Jazeera TV. And don't judge us by a couple of people who are sitting on their couch. They're way from the Middle East, hours away from the Middle East, miles away from the Middle East. And they themselves escaped from dictators in Gaza, dictators in Syria, dictators in Afghanistan, dictators in Iran. They live in the West, using the freedom of the West to abuse others, to not see facts of the Middle East from the angle and the view of that person and that individual.